Good morning. We are here at the Mychef stand presenting our 𝗀𝗶𝗴𝗵 equipment, which is from 𝗀𝗶𝗴𝗵. I want to tell you about the application we have, Mychef Cloud, which helps me manage my equipment. We've incorporated a new AI tool, simple, intuitive, that will really help us a lot in our day-to-day work. Take a look. At the beginning, when I have the equipment connected to my platform, I go to the recipe section. We simply come here, enter it, upload a photo. Let's look for a photo we have here of some croquettes. We select it, the photo uploads, and we tell it where it comes from ambient, frozen, or refrigerated. In this case, it's going to be ambient. And once we press analyze, it automatically generates all the cooking parameters for me, and I also have the option to send it to my equipment. We've got it, it gives us a suggestion. Notice that it even gives us the ingredients, and this is where the part of the parameters: 40% microwave, 100% ventilation for 1 minute and 15 seconds. Look, on the main screen of our 𝗀𝗴𝗵, let's look for the recipe we just created with AI, and there we have our croquette recipe. This is an absolutely incredible tool because it can help us a lot through our Mychef Cloud platform for the day-to-day management of our 𝗀𝗴𝗵.